Baracca,
Feminine plural.
baracche,
Literally translates as hut, shed, or shack, used as a temporary shelter for people, animals, or goods. It should be quite easy for English speakers to remember, as it shares the same origin as the word barracks.
baracca. Il cane è stato ritrovato all'interno di una baracca.
The dog was found inside a shack. What's interesting about baracca is that it has a number of figurative meanings which tend to be used more than the literal meaning. First, it can refer to a company or institution that lacks stability, or a family in financial difficulty. In this sense of the word, there are quite a few idiomatic expressions worth learning.
Andare in baracca,
To fail, to go bankrupt.
mandare avanti la baracca,
To keep things going, to make ends meet.
salvare la baracca.
To save a sinking ship.
Sono io che mando avanti la baracca, non il capo.
I'm the one who keeps the business going, not the boss. Then we have the old expression,
Piantare baracca e burattini.
literally, to abandon shack and puppets, which means to leave everything behind or to up sticks. The expression comes from one of Baracca's additional meanings, which is the wooden framework used for puppet shows. You may also hear the variation
Chiudere baracca e burattini.
with chiudere meaning to close.
Dopo il licenziamento, Laura ha piantato baracca e burattini e se n'è andata a vivere a Parigi.
After being laid off, Laura left everything behind and went to live in Paris. If your neighbors are having a loud party, you could use the expression
Fare baracca.
to make merry to describe their behavior. Finally, baracca works as a synonym for an object in poor condition.
Questo aspirapolvere è una vera baracca. Quando ti deciderai a cambiarlo?
This vacuum cleaner is a real piece of junk. When will you decide to change it?
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.